that's alright. It's the little things that get me high. Won't you come with me and spend the night? Just a little thing for you and I. And if it's meant to be, then that's alright. Just the little things that get me high, keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little thing for you and I. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high, keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it. Just a little things that get me high, keep me going. Just a little bit of you and I, nobody knows it.
What time is it when the party
In the darkness, collide in the night. I was heartless until my soul came to life. And I feel it now, want this forever. And I feel it now, you make me shiver. And I feel it now, want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. Can you feel it now? Want this forever. And I feel it now, you make me shiver. And I feel it now, want this forever. Can you feel it now? You make me shiver. I'm longing, pull me closer to you. In this moment, we get lost in this room. And I feel it now, want this forever. And I feel it now, you make me shiver. And I feel it now, want this forever. Can you
Woo! Traders! Traders in the chat, baby! What is going on, you fine folk over here at TradeCasterYouTube.com? It's freaking FOMC day, baby! Get hyped!
feel it now, want this forever. And I feel it now.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about everything we need to talk about going into this market, going into this beautiful day. Like I said, I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Let's kick this party off.
Can you feel it now?
Ladies and gentlemen, traders of all kinds, guys, today is the day. Today is FOMC data day, guys. I hope you guys are beyond ready for this day. I hope you guys are beyond ready to murder this market. But ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about it. Let's go over it. Let's see exactly what we got going on. So, as we all know, today is FOMC data day. What does that mean, YB? Why is that important? I'm sure every one of them, every single trader out there is talking about it. At the time of 2 p.m. today, 2 p.m. exactly, we will see what the overall interest rate is going to be, right? So what is the, I'd say, coming interest rate going to look like, what it's going to be. We're going to get a little bit more info. So I'm going to put a line here directly at 2 o'clock, right? Okay, that's like 1:59. That's basically 2 o'clock. There you go. Okay. So 2 o'clock on the S&P. That is when you're going to get your massive move of sorts. Either you're going to get a spike or a dump. Now, that's not all. That's not all, guys. At 2 p.m., we get the data. At 2:30 p.m. is going to be your next move. So let's go 30 minutes in the future and create another line. It's horizontal. Okay. There we go, traders. So, as you see at that time, that is the time frame of what you want to look at. You want to sit here and you want to look at 2 p.m. and then you want to look at 2:30 p.m., guys. That is literally it, and that is your move on the day, right? Other than that, you might see this right here. And I'm not saying there's not going to be opportunity, just the quality of opportunity might not be the best. It's probably going to be this right here. Right? So, if I were you guys, and I wanted to be the smartest trader possible, and I want to make, and I have personally my own setup and my own way of I'm going to trade FOMC. So, yes, I will be trading FOMC. Yes, I will be here for it. But yes, 1,000,000%, guys. I have my own thoughts and strategies. You guys will be able to actually pick up on and stuff, so it'll be good. But I would wait until the time of 2 p.m. EST to take any trades in today in general. So I'm going to be on for the first 30 minutes. I'm not trading. I might trade the first 30 minutes. I might take a singular trade if it presents itself right here, and that'll be it. Right? That'll be it on the day. If not, I'll just walk away and I'll be fine. And what is it? And then we can, obviously just trade FOMC. So I'm only going to be live till around 10 a.m., right around that time. So traders, other than that, if you guys want to trade with me, you guys want to trade the exact same way I will be trading, I'm going to link this. I'm really surprised they did this, guys. I am really, really surprised they did this. They restarted the 80% off discount, which they never do. I don't know why they did it, but they did it, guys. So right there it is, and then I'll link it, Apex, guys. This is where you're going to be able to pick up these prop firms, get funded, start making yourself an extra 2 to 4K a month off your first month, right, depending on which one you grab. So traders, that is my thought process, is that you guys want to wait and watch 1,000,000,000% until you guys are essentially ready, to take that trade, which is going to be around 2 p.m. today, I assume. So another thing I do see setting up is the EMA strategy. Yes, it is setting up. Do I think it'll come into effect? Honestly, with the low volatility I kind of expect today, yes. I do expect it to kind of, I guess I'd say come in because I don't expect much volume. So I expect those EMAs to hold up due to the fact there's not a lot of volume, so nothing's going to drive them through. You get what I mean? So I do have that loaded up. Right here is my one account, and then I have these two. They're both 50Ks. As you see that, I will be doing my normal strategy of going long, going short a couple minutes beforehand, and then we'll be going from there. So, traders, that is YB's game plan on the day. You guys can rewind and hear my whole game plan and stuff like that. But, traders, that is it. I do not plan to make any massive trades today. I do not plan to even trade with full size. Again, this entire week, I've been trading with half my normal position size. And, gratefully so, right? I've been trading with 5 micros, and I normally trade with 1 mini. What's the difference? 1 mini on a dollar move, 1 mini is $20, while 1 micro is $10. 5 micros. So I'm basically taking half my normal size. YB now 2K on PALI, bro. Dude, this guy, AK, literally, he's the guy that is like, yeah, guys, my strategy for the day, I know I trade penny stocks. I dabble in, blue chips and stuff, but I'm really just going to be taking it light today. I really just, I don't want to make any massive moves or do anything crazy. 30 minutes later, hey guys, I'm up 2K right now in PALI. I did go light size here, so, nothing too crazy on it. But, yeah, guys, I am up 2,000 on the day now, and it's like, I thought we were just going light. I thought we weren't really trading. He's like, yeah, this is my light size. This is, I'm like, like this guy, bro. Like, dude, I love it though, bro. I mean, I'm glad. Hey, dude, listen. If there's a stock market war and I had to pick a side, let me tell you, I'm not going to like Thanos and or the Avengers. I'm sorry, bro. I'm going Thanos this time, bro. If AK's Thanos, I'm not going against him. Wow, I'm not going against the grid, guys. So yeah. Shout out to AK here, bro. Yeah, there was a giant war between the market, and you had to pick a side. I don't know, AK. Which side are you picking, buddy? And I'll go to that one. I ain't doing that. It's like, I see the memes where it's like you have to choose which side you want to be on. It's like Freddy Krueger, and on the other side it's like Jason and everything. I'm like, yeah, bro. I don't even know, dude. I'm just done. So, yep, chilling out, man. Waiting on that. Gonna see if that EMA strategy is gonna come into play. So I am taking, like I said, half my normal position size. So that'll be a little fun in the sun, baby. So half my normal size, and we'll be good to go. And I only plan to trade until, like I said, what time? 10 a.m. Guys, after 10 a.m., you do not want to be caught up in this market. I promise you that. If you're caught up in this market, man, you are going to get screwed. So I'm looking for a pullback here, pullback in this area right here, pullback in this area right here. Okay? So that's it, guys. And NVDA can also hold up. That'd be beautiful. We got about 3 minutes till market open here. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling wonderful. Let's crank the beats a little bit here, guys. Let's get everything going. Wait, I got this one song we gotta play, boys. I got this one song we gotta play. Pull back down to your 50 right there on NQ. You guys ready? Let's get ready for the market, baby. Let it rock.
Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? And I better shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Woman, get it on till the early morning. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Yo, shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, yo? And I better shake that thing, miss. Donna, yo, Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca. Yo, shake that thing, yo. And I shake that thing, yo.
Get high! Get lit! It's FOMC Data Day! Fucking that day, baby! Yeah! That's what we're waiting on! Been waiting on! Woo! Are you sick and tired of the slow market? Here's where you're gonna get some of that energy! Ah! Market open, baby! There we go. Nice little pullback coming in there, guys. Woo! Alright, we are feeling great. We are feeling good, baby. I hope you guys are as well. Feeling grand. Feeling great. Feeling good. AK up $2,500 on the day on PALI. Woo! I love it. I love it, AK. AK, you sexy beast. There's another part to this song we're waiting on, boys. Hey, Camus, what's good? The house where the sound of the music is Chang Chang with the family and the one and only His Excellency YB. Once and YB always a YB. Dude, this guy is gonna be my intro. If I ever am in a UFC fight, Camus gonna be my guy. He's gonna be the Bruce Buffner. In the red corner comes YB, His Excellency. What's up, brother? Oh man, guys, we're having a blast, man. I hope you guys are ready. This is what we've been waiting for all week. Coming today at 2 p.m., baby. All right, so that's what we're waiting on. All right, getting up there, getting in. Just waiting on our pullbacks, and I may take this. I might not even take it, right? I might just wait. Like, if this doesn't hit here, I am completely fine with just waiting, watching, having nothing coming to beat, man. So, definitely just going to be waiting, watching. Just touch that view up. Not a bad spot right there. Going to see if we're going to get a little bit lower there, and we'll play this right here. There we go, guys. Getting a little bit lower there. I do like it. I like a little bit of that dipski. I do like a little bit of that dipski. I do think this is a good dipski. We have to see. I don't think it's a Dumparooski. I think it may be a dipski. Hey, LJ, what's up, buddy? So here we go. Yup, guys, starting to come in.
Order filled.
Got filled in there. Just going to take, this is my only trade of the day. I love it. This is what I was looking at and looking for. So we're just going to see EMA strategy holding up here beautifully. Starting to come back up top side here. I love it if it gets above these points. Gets above that 50-day. Starts to clear the top side. S&P 500. Start taking off here a little bit. Help it out. Help it rally a little bit here. Help it wrangle. Help it wrangle itself in a little bit more here. So I love it. Hold these highs. Continue to push higher. Let's see it, baby. So we got to wait and see, boys. There it goes, traders. Back to the top side here. I love it. It has to hold these highs out, though. Holding these highs makes me feel confident. If it cannot hold the highs, once again, I will close the trade. Tight stop loss. Yep, tight stop. I love it. Goes green here. You're good. Has to go green there. If not, like I said, tight stop loss on it. FOMC data day, morning open. Just a simple EMA touch is all I'm looking at here. Want to see it start to come back up here. I love everything where it's at. I love everything where it's at. Looking for that green to start to rally here. Okay?
Stop
all right.
filled.
And that's it. So 110, that's it. And that might be my only trade of the day. That might be my only trade of the day until FOMC data comes out. I love my EMAs back here on SPY, but they're just not really... Wow, look at NVDA, bro. Oh, my, dog. Oh, my NVDA, bro. That's nuts. That is crazy, boys. Woo! Am strong, long, yeah, buddy. Fuck, actually, yeah, you definitely gotta watch out and make sure you don't do that. That'll definitely eat you up, bro. That'll definitely eat you up. I do like it coming back up here, but once again, I know I really should not be trading that much. Oh my gosh. It could break out here though, definitely, for sure. For sure, right at those EMAs. Look at it, it's right at those EMAs, boys. Break below, coming back above here. Starting to hold above here. If it can hold above 80, I have that confidence. Starting to hold above 80 here. S&P looks good for a little bit of a breakout.
Order filled.
We will touch it one more time here. I don't want to be undisciplined and start the day off like this. I'm not doing it. I'm not starting the day off like this already. I'm not doing it, bro. I was just looking for the green to come in above these EMAs again. Look at the green. That's it. If not, I'm getting out. I'm already going to close the brokerage on the day. So absolutely zero reason it should hit this point right there. It should go green and we'll be good on the day. It really is just that green needs to come in, start to spike this thing up. Love that. Love that above this 9-day EMA. I think SPY can start to take off. Especially with the lower shadow there on NVDA. Beautiful. Can really start to take this market off, guys. I'm looking for that one push. Do I think there can be direction on the day? Absolutely. I think we can have a morning spike into chop, right? So I am very much with you guys if you guys are bullish on this play right now. I do think longs can take this thing over, obviously, and really rally it up, boys. So let that thing rally, rip, and run here, ladies and gentlemen. Let that thing rally, rip, and run above your 50-day for some more longs, boys. So this is what we were looking for. I want to see this hold now. Hold these highs. Hold these highs, NQ. Hold these highs, NQ. Green, green, green's what I'm looking for. Above that 50-day, green, green, green's what I'm looking for. Come on, baby. And then start to go green here and get above these points. Green, green, green. Let's see. Come on, baby. NVDA, I need SPY to keep coming up here. SPY has to go green here and hold these highs. I need SPY to hold these highs, and then it can start taking back off topside. Beautiful. Hold these highs. Start taking back off topside. NQ overall is going to play an effect in this. Waiting on NQ overall. Want to see green come in, boys. Want to see green come in. Want to see green come in here? Again, guys, you don't have to take a crazy amount of trades today. We know when the move is going to happen. I love it. I love it. I love it, boys. I love it. If it can hold here, I love it. If it can get above that 50 day, I love it. 200-day EMA did come into play. I do like where we were at on that one. I could see, we have to wait and watch, boys. That's it. Starting to come back up. Yep, just waiting and watching. Waiting and watching on the play. Waiting and watching on it. Just have to, you know, be observant. Waiting and watching, guys. That's it. That's all we're doing here. So want to see that green come in on that play. Want to see the green spike this thing up. So want to see green come in. Am I going to have to do anything different for news? Just let me know. I don't really know what you mean too much by that, LJ. We talked about it yesterday. Do exactly what we talked about. You are good to go, bro. Exactly what we talked about. You are good to go, baby. And you'll see come 2 p.m. You'll see come 2 p.m. what I do. I got you, brother. I got you, brother. Don't worry about it. So I'm waiting and watching right now, boys. Want to see this thing start to take off to the top side here and really start to go green on us. So I want to see this thing start to really rip, rally, go green on me here. Turn that music up a little bit for us. Get the vibes going. Starting to rip, rally, and go green on us, and I love that. And that's exactly what I love to see. I know NQ here can now start to take out these highs, and then we'll see. We have to wait, watch. I know today can be chopped. I know it. Has to hold these highs. Hold these highs, you're good for a push. Hold these highs, you're good for a push, boys. Wow. Break these points right here on NVDA, you're good. Broke through the 200. You want to wait. Just waiting and watching. Waiting and watching. Don't let YB say too much. Want to see it go green. I don't want to see it go back below the 9. Green, I'm good. Green, I'm good. Let's see. All right, guys. YB 107. YB is done. YB is closing the brokerage, guys. Until the time of 2 p.m., it's doing exactly what I expect this thing to do all day. Chop, 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 chop. It's gonna do this all day, guys. I'm closing the brokerage. I just checked my fills. Ooh. All right, we are good to go, guys. So brokerage is now closed. YB took a small win. Yeah. Oh, no, you're good, brother. $70 is not going to make a difference. You're good. You are good to go, bro. Yeah, no. No, remember, LJ, it's an eval. It's an evaluation. It's not a funded yet. Oh, there we go. What is it? Remember, it is the eval, not funded. Funded is when you pass the challenge. Funded is when, like, oh, okay, I'm already... And this is going to bounce, I feel like, guys. I feel like this is definitely going to bounce right here. I can't believe I just closed my brokerage down. This is a perfect bounce area. View up to... Oh, my goodness, guys. This is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Hold those lows, S&P. Hold those lows, S&P. Hold those lows. Hold those lows. Give YB 1 second. Give YB 1 second. Give YB 1 second. Hold these lows. Hold these lows. Don't do it yet. Don't do anything weird yet. Don't do it. Don't do anything weird yet. Don't do it!
Order filled.
Don't do it. There it goes. Do it. Now do it. I see 200 view up. I do see this bouncing, boys. I have that confidence. View up, 200 view up right there, spiking up. Holds those highs, you're good. This is NQ's way of basically breaking out already. Above a lot of these points, it can really start to rip, rally, and run. Yup. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's just wait and see. Wait and see. Wait and see. I do have that confidence, though. You have to have confidence in your plays. I do. What's the volume at? Above 100K a candle. I do like that. I do like that for the breakout coming in. I think it can start to respect that 9 and really start to take off here. I think NQ will get some sort of push today. If you guys are holding longs, man, from the lows and stuff, you guys are good, man. I am in agreement that it definitely can start to spike here and take off with you. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then you let it rock to the top side here. Let that thing continue to take off. Yeah, I got you. Yup. Just making sure. Because somebody in the chat might be like, wait, you got funded already? And then you're like, yeah, I have the funded. And then you're like, oh, no, that's an eval. And it's like, oh, okay. So, yep. As long as you know. Guys, we get a breakout here, guys. This thing can really rip and start taking off. So, testing this is good. That's what I'm looking to do. I do want to see green come in on SPY. So, green on the time and sales is what I'm looking at. I want to see just green start flooding. Just like that. Just like that right there. I want to see green continue to flood. Green continue to flood on all of these. NQ up at the high. NVDA up at the high. Green continue to flood here, guys. Up at those highs. Needs the rip rally run off those highs, though. Essentially, what I'm saying is that view up right there. I know you have your 200-day right here on SPY. You have your view up right there. But if you can hold up this 9-day EMA around this level, I do see some sort of bullish move coming in. I know it's like, YB, why are you playing this right now, man? It's like, right there's your EMA strategy actually working right now. Right? And right here it is coming into the view up 200. I'm looking for some sort of green push to take this thing away to the long side. I don't want to be the guy that continues to play during CPI data. FOMC data. But I feel as if a move can happen. Like, especially if SPY gets above that 9-day right there, bro. I feel like NQ can really rally. And I'm always correct on direction. I am usually never wrong on direction. I am sometimes just a little bit early. Right? So that's what I was before. I feel as if I was just a little bit early there. And I feel like I am always correct on direction. I feel as if the second we break this little area, zone area that we're coming up to right now in SPY right there, we are going to start ripping, we are going to start rallying, we are going to start running on NQ, ES, S&P 500. We break this little high here, what we got, 855 here on NVDA, we are going to start ripping, rally, running, right? Same thing here on ES. I want to see it hold this and break these areas. Can it break the areas is the question at hand. It really depends, guys. So you have to have patience. You do have to have patience on it, man. I don't like holding this long. I'm not going to say I even like trading this, man. And look at that coming right down in the area. I'm looking to see what happens right here. 200 just came up, guys. Dip buy opportunity just presented itself. I'm very tempted in the dip buy opportunity. I love that thing's coming up again. I love that. S&P 500, hold that 200-day, and I know we're good. If SPY holds that 200, I know we're good. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful ability. Beautiful there, guys. Coming right back up. Lower shadow just hit. I love it. I'm looking for that to come back up. We're going to see right here on SPY. I want to see it touch and then start to come back up here. I don't want to see this crack too much, guys. I'm not going to lie. Look at that. Wow. I'm thinking about DCAing. I don't really want to DCA heavy. I want to see S&P 500 start to come back up there. Look at that. Starting to go green on it. Starting to go green right off that little 200 touch. Starts to reverse, flip the script, come back up. Green, 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 green. All right, guys. All right, guys. So we got green, 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 green. I am going to DCA in 5. I do think we get a spike above that 50-day right here and to the top side here. So let's see it. Just with ease. Let's see it with ease. With ease, boys. That's it. With ease. Above that 50-day with ease. That's what I'm looking at. With ease, boys. I want to see it take off here. Big U shape come in. See those highs. I get exactly what I'm looking for here. Above that area, I definitely feel like we get that breakout. Above this right here, right there it is, red to green on it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just like I'm thinking here in my head. Love it. Green, green, green starts to come in. Start to spike this thing up here. Can really start to rally. Tight consolidation on SPY. I want to see green, green, green. I love it. Above some of those highs there. Oh, yeah, buddy. It is so close to breaking some of those highs, boys. Give me a red to green here. Nah. If it holds, you're good, but it has to hold. Has to hold. Has to hold. Nice spike. Has to hold, though. Has to hold. Let's see it. Let's see it, boys. Let's see it. Has to hold. I love it. Has to hold. I love it. Has to hold. I love it. Has to hold. Green coming in. I love it. I want to see green coming in. I love it, boys. I do like it. I want to see it start hitting. I love it, boys. I want to see buyers swing in. Take it away. Okay. Okay. If not, you know what? I'm about to get out of this. If it does not hold up here, if it holds up here, I'm good. Just going to set my stop loss here. And I truly will actually get out and close my brokerage here, guys. But this is basically me trading this sort of momentum here. If it holds here, starts spiking back up, you're good. But you have to see green come in. I don't think it should break that low if it's going to hit to the top side. I really don't. 480. I'll give it down a little bit below 480 there. About a couple points. But I want to see green come in here, guys, and take off. Has to go green and start taking off to the top side right here. S&P looks good for it, but it has to hit on NQ. So I want to see green, 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 green. Looking for green. Nope. All right, guys. Immediately after that stop got filled, 51.77. I gave back around 500 already just by being not patient, just by not waiting and watching, guys. Time is 9:49 today, guys. I should not really even be trading. Yes, sir. Giveaways this Friday at 11 p.m. Yup. 11 p.m., baby. 11 p.m. EST. I see this thing taking off. I know this thing is going green. I know S&P is going to get above the high and start taking off, guys. For the rest of the day, though, I'm actually going to close my charts. I'm going to close my brokerage. I'm going to hop off the charts. I have an alarm set for 1:30 p.m. where I'll be going live. Watch this thing now take off because the little dirty mother fricker. And then, yeah, so I am completely done on the day. I am completely done. I am good to go where I am at. I will be trading, like I said, at 1:30 p.m. I will be back on the live, guys. I should not be touching this. I should not be trading this. I shouldn't even be involved in this play at all. So, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot wait till then, guys, where I will be back on. Yes, so I shouldn't have been trading today, but I am a very greedy mofo, and I like to take dumb, stupid-ass trades that I shouldn't take. So, yeah, buddy. I will see all of you guys then. Yeah, buddy! Ladies and gentlemen, can't wait till 1:30 p.m. Take it easy. Peace!